and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by RainPoint. About a week ago, they sent me or asked me would I be interested in doing a review of one of their smart zone, 2-zone Wi-Fi water timers. So I said yes, I would do so, and this came in the mail yesterday. In the box, it has the actual hub, display hub, which sits inside the house, and it actually also has the water timer here, and it is a 2-tone timer, a left and right. And the first thing that you have to do is to download the app that comes with it. So before you set it up, I'll show you that in a moment. In the box also comes your 5-year warranty. Once you sign up with them, the warranty on this product is good for 5 years. You have your user manual for the water timer itself, and you also have the user manual for your hub. So we're going to go inside and I'll show you the hub and get started with it. Here's the hub or router for the RainPoint water timer. It's digital, and what you're looking at is a display that on the left tells you today's temperature in Celsius. Right below it, it gives you the UV index, and below that it gives you the time and today's date. In the middle is the smart zone. In this case, it's showing zone 1, and it's also showing you if there was a plan for this zone, the next time it would be used, and also how much water usage I used the last time I used this zone. It also, on the right rather, is telling you the outside temperature and the humidity level, and at the bottom it's telling you the inside temperature and humidity level. The temperature is in Celsius. Okay. After you download the app and you set it up on your phone, the next thing you would have to do is to connect this hub to your home's Wi-Fi system, and that's done through Bluetooth on your phone. After you connect your hub to your Wi-Fi, this is what the display is that you will see. The next thing you would have to do is to add the actual water timer to the network itself, and you would do that by selecting which model you have, the 1-zone, the 2-zone, or the 3-zone, or 4-zone, or a timing pump, or socket, or any one of these devices down here. In my case, I have a 2-zone, so we will select that, and then we would click next, and they would connect to each other. So I'm not going to do it now since they're already connected. In addition to coming with the timer and the hub, it also came with some 2 small rolls of Teflon tape. So I'm going to connect this to my outside spigot, and then connect my sprinkler system for my plants to it. And I'm going to connect to one part, and then to the other part I'm going to connect my watering hose. Okay, hopefully you can see me pretty well. Here we're at the app, and I'm going to show you how I programmed on my timer to come on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and Sunday at 7 a.m. for 15 minutes. So if you can see that, you're going to hit the plus sign, and it will automatically default to 8 o'clock. And we're going to change that to 7. And down here, it says repeat every day at 7 and duration for 10 minutes. So if we were to go with this, it will come on every day at 7 o'clock in the morning and run for 10 minutes and shut itself off. But that's not what I want to do, so I'm going to go ahead and discard it. Programming the timer to come on is fairly easy. Now we're here on the app. It shows the last time that I used one of the zones. In this case, it's showing the left zone, and it tells you the amount of water that I actually used, which is 0.0. So now I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to turn on the right zone, and we're going to see this timer actually working and watering my plants. So right now it's 3:41, so I'm changing the time, the hour here, and we're going to set it to see if we can get it to come on at 3:42. And we want it to last 2 minutes. So we're going to save that. Okay, that's in. We're going to make sure that we turn the water on. And if I did it right, it should come on at 3:42. And we're going to look at these 3 plants here, well, these 4, and we should hear the water come on. And then I'll come up closer where you can actually see it dropping this. Okay, so we're hearing it come on, and we're going to come over to my bell peppers right here. And we should be able to see little drops of water coming from the sprinkler here. And it's actually coming out. Okay, should be able to see the water. And we'll look at this one. You can see it coming out as well. And at 3:43, it should shut itself off. It has stopped, shut itself off. So it did exactly as it said it was going to do, which is great. So what's my overall opinion of the timer? I believe it is awesome. And for a person who is a tech person, the ability to be able to control everything from inside, or to be able to control it from your phone, is a game changer. Also, another game changer for me is knowing exactly how much water I'm using. I am on city water, so every time I water my plants, it's costing me some money, but I can now have the ability to see how much water I'm actually using and can adjust or lower the rate as needed. So overall, I'm impressed with it. I'm happy, and I would recommend it to anyone. If you're interested in purchasing one, there is a link for it in the comment section. And there is also a 15% discount in the comment section, as in the description rather section of the video. Tell me what you think of it. And if you're interested, I hope that you do get it. RainPoint has remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care.